Welcome to Best Choice. The best mold bacteria is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a healthy and hygienic living environment, especially when dealing with stubborn mold and bacteria that can compromise air quality and pose health risks. This product is designed to tackle these microscopic invaders head-on, offering a powerful solution for homeowners and renters alike who are seeking to eliminate unpleasant odors, prevent the spread of harmful microorganisms, and restore peace of mind. Its advanced formula works diligently to break down and neutralize mold and bacteria at their source, ensuring a thorough clean that goes beyond surface-level treatment, making it an indispensable ally in the fight for a cleaner, safer home. Number 5. CleanSmart Daily Surface Spray Disinfectant, 3-pack. Introducing CleanSmart Daily Surface Spray Disinfectant. It's your go-to solution for a cleaner, healthier home environment. This powerful formula effectively eliminates 99.9% of common viruses, bacteria, mold, and fungus. Keep your surfaces safe and protected. Use it on a variety of surfaces throughout your home. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and high-touch areas. Get more value with this convenient pack of 3 16-ounce bottles. Ensure you always have this essential cleaner on hand. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is protected. CleanSmart makes daily disinfection simple and effective. What we like. This cleaner is designed to tackle a wide range of household germs. If you're looking for a powerful disinfectant that can handle mold, bacteria, and viruses on multiple surfaces, this is a great choice. It's ideal for maintaining a hygienic environment in kitchens, bathrooms, and other high-traffic areas. What people say. The product works great for mold and bacteria. It has a good design and is easy to use. The features are very effective in eliminating mold and bacteria. Number 4. Funmit Core 300 Toxin Absorber Replacement Filter. Ensure your air purifier is working at its best. This filter is designed exclusively for the Levoit Core 300, Core 300P, Core 300S, and Core 300S-P models. Please confirm your model before purchasing. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It includes a preliminary filter, pleated paper, and activated carbon to capture airborne particles and improve your health. Our filter is crafted with high-grade materials and advanced technology. It offers lower wind resistance and higher efficiency for maximum filtration and energy saving. Breathe easier year-round. This filter effectively removes airborne substances, unpleasant household odors, and gases from smog and wildfire smoke. This package includes 2 replacement filters and a cleaning brush. We recommend replacing them every 6 to 8 months for optimal performance. Replacement is simple and requires no tools. Select the perfect filter for your needs. We offer options for basic air purification, pet owners, toxin absorption, and smoke removal, ensuring the best performance for your air purifier. We are committed to providing high-quality replacement parts and excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues, our support team is here to help resolve them. What we like. This filter is specifically engineered to capture toxins from smog and wildfire gases. If you live in an area prone to poor air quality or are concerned about specific airborne pollutants, this filter is an excellent option. It offers specialized protection for a healthier indoor environment. What people say. The product is effective in eliminating mold and bacteria. It has a user-friendly design that makes it easy to operate. The device features advanced technology for thorough cleaning. Number 3. FutureWay Core 300 Replacement Filter 2-pack. Ensure optimal performance by using these replacement filters specifically designed for your Levoit Core 300 and Core 300S air purifiers. Please verify your model before purchase to guarantee a perfect fit. Breathe easier with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively captures everyday airborne particles, reducing irritants and keeping your indoor air fresh and clean. Experience superior air purification with H13 True HEPA filtration. It captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke. Enjoy a fresher home with our upgraded activated carbon filter. It delivers enhanced adsorption to effectively capture smoke, cooking smells, pet odors, and VOCs. This 2-pack provides reliable air purification for up to 6 to 8 months per filter. Enjoy year-round clean air with added savings on your replacements. When the indicator light turns on, simply press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to reset the filter reminder. This ensures your air purifier continues to operate efficiently. What we like. This filter boasts H13 True HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles. If you suffer from allergies or are sensitive to dust, pollen, and pet dander, this filter will significantly improve your indoor air quality. It's perfect for creating a cleaner, more breathable space at home. What people say. This product is a game changer for mold and mildew. It is very effective at killing mold and bacteria. The design is sleek and modern, and it is very easy to use. Number 2. HSIAMEN Core 300 Air Purifier Filter 4-Pack. Ensure optimal performance with our replacement filters, designed for a perfect fit with your Levoit Core 300 and PuroAir 240 air purifiers. They also seamlessly replace parts like Core 300 RF and P350 RF. Experience superior air purification with our 3-stage system, featuring a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA filter, and activated carbon filter. It's ideal for homes with pets, cooking, or smoke. Our H13 True HEPA filter effectively captures airborne particles, including common allergens like pollen and pet dander. Enjoy cleaner air and breathe easier in your home. We believe everyone deserves clean air. Our filters provide excellent purification at an affordable price, helping you save on your year-round air cleaning needs. For best results, replace your filter every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage and air quality. Using our genuine replacement parts ensures your air purifier continues to perform at its best. What we like. This filter offers H13 True HEPA filtration and is compatible with multiple air purifier models, including Levoit and PuroAir. If you have a mix of air purifier brands or are looking for a cost-effective way to ensure excellent air purification, this 4-pack is a smart buy. It provides comprehensive filtration for various household needs. What people say. This is a great product that works well for mold and bacteria. The design is sleek and modern, and it's very easy to use. It effectively eliminates odors and purifies the air. Number 1. ISINLIVE Core 300 Replacement Filter. Ensure your Levoit Core 300 or Core 300P air purifier runs at its best with our specially designed replacement filter. It's made to fit seamlessly, providing optimal performance. Experience cleaner air thanks to the advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It effectively captures PM 2.5, dust, pollen, and even tackles unwanted household odors and wildfire gases. Our filter utilizes advanced technology for lower energy consumption and reduced wind resistance. This means maximum filtration with less strain, ensuring a longer lifespan for your unit. This package includes 2 replacement filters, offering a cost-effective solution for maintaining your air purifier. It provides all the necessary parts for a standard installation. We are committed to providing high-quality, cost-effective filters to help you create a healthier living environment. Buy with confidence, knowing our after-sales team is here to ensure your satisfaction. Feel good about your purchase as our filter is made with FSC-certified paper, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. What we like. This filter features a robust 3-in-1 system designed for higher efficiency and longer life. If you're seeking a reliable and cost-effective replacement for your Levoit air purifier, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. It's suitable for everyday use, effectively tackling dust, pollen, and common household odors. What people say. This is a great product for mold and bacteria. It works very well to kill mold and bacteria. I would recommend this product to anyone looking for a way to get rid of mold and bacteria. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.